Prishoma people mbifurije ibihe byiza nanone nizere ko mumeze neza. Twagarutse this is our nziza family. So ubushize twari batatu none ubu ngubu turi bane. Twazanye the last born mu Kinyarwanda bamwita
umuhererezi uno wanyuma mu muryango bucura cyangwa gucura
mu Kinyarwanda kiza mwita uyu muhereza
bucura nyine
mu Kinyarwanda kindi
nta kindi nzi
naho wega ku ubucura bamwita gute mu Kinyarwanda kiza?
Bamwita umuhererezi.
Go job. Okay, hanyuma rero twamuzanye rero bamwita hajya witwa umwebebwe witwa
nitwa Irene.
vuga cyane ngo
nitwa Irene mu Kinyarwanda. In English is Irene.
Good job. Ibyo byongereza ngenda ngo ndabimenya neza ariko uragenda unyigisha gahoro. Okay? Sora makuru Miss Faustin ameze bite? Tumaze igihe tutaganira. Tubwire. Hano twaje like guciringa twiganirira tubazanye amakuru mu kanya umuntu agiye guhita bwije nahanga umuntu ahita ajana kwiryamira ariko uburyo tuba tubonye akanya tuhita tuganira nyine as a family, you know what I'm saying? As a family tugaganira nyine tugaciringa tumaze kurya tumaze kunywa byaboneka bitaboneka wicire
wicire that's how it goes man. So hano nyine ibintu biragenda neza. Imana ikomeje kuduteza ubuzima you know. buri munsi it's a blessings man.
It's a blessing
and blessings.
So nikiri wabwira abantu ubuze reka gufasha kugira ngo tugatubwire nagushaka gufata
wamfata
nose kuvuga ngo ufashe ukugurwa kanya
biragaragara ko agashaka ariko
no ujya kwifasha.
Ikibazo cyari kimeze gute?
Ikibazo cyavugaga ngo mbese wari kutubwira ukuntu Imana ari nziza ko ikomeje kutunira twese ukaba turi amahoro.
Yego
nyine tubwire like what's going on hashize igihe nyine tutaganira tubwire amakuru uburyo gihe so what are up to bari ko yavuga mukubwire
ngo gute
what up to
bitego nawe wigenda ucyo biba bimeze
ajya bivuga mukigeza neza bibigute.
What are you up to man?
Okay, good. Bimeze biterera batubwira.
Ubushize nyine amahoro nani yayindi Imana ntago yagabanyije imigisha.
Good job.
Ibintu bikomeje kugenda neza you know. Turashima rurema kabisa.
Good. Okay. Thank you so much. Reka tubaze noneho Fabrice ubabwirire ko wagarutse noneho ubabwiye ko wagarutse reba muri kamera ubabwire ati nagarutse ubabwire n'ikindi bagomba gukora.
Yes, we back man, we back. Urumva mukore subscribe abantu bari kutureba mwese. What it is.
Okay, reka dereze Irene. Okay, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good?
Yeah.
So, you know, tell us about tubwire makuru yawe bimeze bite ubwa mbere ni mbere waje kuri kamera sibyo? Muhereza mushirireho. Muhereza agafate turebe none. Okay. Ubwa mbere waje kuri kamera?
Yego.
Uri kubona rero wowe ntugire isoni tuganirize, you know, tuganiriza amakuru. This is family, you know. Family amakuru rero meze bite amakuru yawe?
Amakuru ni meza. Yego.
Abasaza bawe wababonye?
Yego.
Nagake wababwira ngo babwire basuhuze nyine usuhuze n'abashuti bawe muba muri kumwe hariya ku Sabato mage muri korari n'abandi ngo basuhuze.
Ndabasuhukije.
Egereza kamera babwire ati hi.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And
like.
okay, thank you. So thank you rero, wabonye rero twe turimo tubakira kuri kamera today. Uyu munsi nta bintu byinshi dufite kuganira, twe tuje kugira ngo twiganirire nyine, tubazanye amakuru uko bimeze. Ngiye kohereza nk'iminota umwe baciringe baganire nyine, murebe ukuntu hano noneho twige ukuntu twishimye naze family, you know, hanyuma nuko turebe ukuntu Imana iraza kutugirira neza. Okay, haba umwandi kubona uyu muhungu ari kunywa amazi, reka muhereze mikoro abaganirize. Ni karibu.
ko bicura rero
sitari hano
Bayi iminota ibiri, just 2 minutes.
minota ibiri
Muganire, umaze ibibazo agusubiza.
ibibazo rero,
Herera kuri gakuru.
ibibazo ngewe rero ukuntu biba bimeze, ngewe ibintu ndagenda nkabyandika kubwira amazi.
Ntabwo none wahita ubona ikibazo ako kanya umubaza.
Ibibazo burase biraboneka. Let's see.
One question, one answer.
One question, one answer.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, boom.
Ese wanyweye amazi uyu munsi?
Oya,
Wanyweye amazi?
nayibagiwe.
Ntabwo uzi amazi ko ari ingirakamaro?
I do, ndabizi.
None niyo mpamvu wibagirwa gukora bifite akamaro.
Is it by force now?
You gotta be,
Please, I beg.
you gotta be,
Nyine,
you gotta be.
ishuri ndayibagiwe.
Muhereza cyangwa bakumuhereza.
Nagiye ku ishuri ndayibagirwa. So, yeah.
So I'm gonna tell you next time nsuka azayibagirwa.
Why you
know?
forcing me though?
That's not force.
No, okay.
Ubundi ni itegeko. Njye I'm not gonna force you, but ugomba kubyibutsa at least like uducupa dutatu ku munsi.
Tirarangiye. Wananiwe kubaza ibibazo byinshi. Twagiye kuri last bone akubaza. Nabaze akubaze, ya twagiye.
Abazaho.
Bazaga uyu nguyu kubajije.
I have
Any
no
question?
questions.
Was the first thing.
Yeah. Any question?
I can't think of anything. I have no questions.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
Okay. Hereza uyu kubaza.
It's okay. Next time.
Okay. Next time. Okay. Uge kuri mikoro cyane twagiye. Mubaze any question.
What up?
It's good.
You good?
Yes, sir.
Meze fresh?
Yego, amakuru.
Amakuru ni meza hose.
Same. Nanjye.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Umunsi wagenze neza?
Yego.
What did you do today?
Nothing. I just navuye ku ishuri and then, yeah, that's all.
Over school?
Yeah.
How's school?
School was good,
School?
I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guess?
Yes.
No,
Now
it was
what-
good.
now
It was
what-
good. It was good.
It was good?
Yep.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Iminota irakurangiranye. Ubuze ikibazo mubaza.
Yeah, ibyo birahagije.
Birahagije.
Yeah.
Okay, ngereka mbabaze. Who is ready? Who is ready?
All of us.
Okay. So, mbwira amagambo abiri. Ni amasegonda, nzambara amasegonda 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N'utari wabisubiza bite dukaringa. Ready? Si muri ready?
Yes, sir.
Uri ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Duhere kuri inde. Reka mpere kuri wowe ufite kamera. Bambi kuri ufite mikoro.
Yeah.
Mbwira amazina 3 atangizwa n'inyuguti P.
Patrick, President, Pifra.
Yeah. You passed.
Tough game.
No. What is that?
Why is he crying?
Okay. Yabishoboye ntabwo yabishoboye.
yabishoboye.
Yabishoboye ntabwo yabishoboye.
Yabishoboye.
Okay, ntabwo yabishoboye neza. Okay. Okay. Aya amazina atatu uvuga aha. Bazatubwira muri comment. Ugomba niba yabishoboye. Okay. Tugiye gukurikizaho Irene. Nyankumi.
Don't
Okay.
embarrass me now. It's okay. Continue.
Vuga nk'uko wenda ruvuze gute?
I said don't embarrass me now.
Wahara?
I don't have wahala.
I'm good though. Okay, let's go. Bon. Ready? Okay. Urambwira okay. Twagiye.
What?
Uri ready? Ugiye kumbwira amazina atatu atangizwa n'inyuguti A. 1 2
Wait.
3. Okay, reka ngoreka nyakuri amasegonda. Amazina atatu atangizwa na A.
Alvin,
Uh-huh.
Alice,
Uh-huh.
Aline.
Ukomeza kumasha ariko mwogere. Shake.
You did shake me now.
That's good. Muze akugirisha abonye. Okay, good job. Congratulations. Okay. Kagi mwezi nawe atangi any advice like to
abantu ni iki wababwira like n'inama wabahereza?
You can speak in English. It's good.
What can you tell to the people like who's really struggling, you know? Yeah. Go ahead.
Uyegeze mikoro uvuge neza ya.
Navuga the same thing as he said. You know, just believe in God. God's timing.
God's timing. Good job, huh?
Yeah, and then, you know, bakomeze kwizera. That's all.
Kwizera. Okay.
Oh, wow.
That's a good job.
Wow, that's
the one. That's the one.
That was cool.
Okay. Just
was
kamera
cool.
ubabwira like ubahereza advice ejo bagomba gukora as Christian. Let's go.
As what?
Nk'umukristo nyine ubabwire like ubahereza inama ubabwire nyine ibintu bagomba kugenderaho as you said, you know, just repeat. Wahead up.
Yeah, you got this.
Uh-huh.
Tell them.
Yes, look and babwire, yeah.
Talk to them, bro.
Wait, what was the question? What was the question?
Any
What?
advice?
Well, you gotta
I
tell.
said it.
Okay, go ahead. Look and mureba muri kamera.
You know, believe in God. Believe in God's timing. Trust God. You know. Yeah.
That's good. So good job. Reka mbabaze akabazo kanyuma noneho duhite gute duhite tugenda. Ndabaza amasegonda ndahera kuri Nyankumi. Kuri Irene.
Please,
Irene, I beg your pardon, okay? Okay, take camera. Take me. No, mikoro. That's Mike. Okay. Ubwinyo Nick.
Eh?
Ubwinyo.
It's a man.
Ubwinyo. Iyo bavuze ubwinyo bavuze gute?
Ubwinyo ni cyangwa?
No.
Fata mikoro. Ubwinyo Nick.
You don't know this.
Nuko ntabwo mbizi.
Ntabwo ubizi?
Come on now.
Minota yagi. Reka babaze akabazo ka nyuma, sibyo? Mbo, noneho mu Kinyarwanda iyo bavuze ngo shangazi wawe bamwita gute? mu kinyarwanda muhereza mikoro. Shangazi yawe mu kinyarwanda bamwita gute?
My shangazi?
Okay, guys, shangazi.
It was literally in my head, but I just forgot it. Wait, ni masenge? Something like that. Masenge.
Hey, what you,
Yeah?
what-
Muhereza
Is it-
muhereza uko bazavuga
I did
shangazi
ask
ni
a question. You dance? I'm like, here.
shangazi wanjye
shangazi mu cyongereza ni iki? Shangazi urabizi mu cyongereza?
mu cyongereza yeah
Ni
anti
anti.
yeah
naho mu kinyarwanda
yitwa shangazi.
iki ntabwo ari ikinyarwanda.
Shangazi
Eh.
shangazi
Eh.
shangazi uyu yabivuze yitwa masenge.
Masenge.
Why you copying me now? Say your own.
Nah, that's
Muhereza wavuze ngo is what?
He's copying.
Okay. So none iyo wavuze
tubaze Faust.
Faustin reka mubaze ikindi. Faustin ariko abe duheraho wa nyuma. Fata mikoro. Uri ready?
Yeah.
Ubyara papa wa papa wawe bamwita gute?
Papa.
Umuntu ubyara papa wa papa wawe bamwita gute? Nyine ise wa papa wawe bamwita gute?
Sogokurusi.
Nawe nibyo ariko ntabwo ari neza.
Grandpa, man.
Ubyara papa wa papa wawe.
Atari ibyo baba barabihinduye buriya mu kinyarwanda. Barahinduye culture.
No, sokuru wawe ni ubyara papa. Ya, umubyara rero ninde?
Ni sogokuruza.
Igiki?
Ni sogokuru. Sogokuruza,
go job. Yeah. Umuntu ubyara papa wa papa wawe bamwita sogokuruza. Sogokuruza. Ubyara sokuru wawe bamwita sogokuruza. Wari ubizi nyaho?
Yeah.
Mu cyongereza muzi ko bamwita murabizi?
Iki.
Sogokuruza. Bamwita gute muhereze bamwita gute?
C'est grandpa. Sogokuru si grandpa?
Uwo ni sogokuru.
Sogokuruza.
Ni grandpa. Uwo sogokuru. Aha sogokuruza.
Ndakeka ari byo.
Nawe umuhereze.
Grandfather?
It's literally what I just said.
Okay, babwiye muri commenting ngo bamwita gute. So reka tubashimire rero, Imana ibagirire neza kandi mugire amahoro y'Imana. Twe turimo tuganira this is Abanziza family, mukomeze mugire ubuzima buzira umuze kandi turi kumwe namwe all the time kandi turabasaba ngo please subscribe. Okay, ngiye kuza mvuga subscribe ukomeze nawe bakora iki?
Subscribe, man.
Bakora iki?
Subscribe.
Bakora iki?
mukora ibintu byose bisabwa kugira ngo n'ibitatu ubundi hari ako kantu kari hasi kinuza k'umutuku kanditseho subscribe uraba ukoze ikintu gikomeye cyane kabisa. Imana ikomeze ubahe umugisha. Just